Hello everyone, welcome to An Academy. Today in this video we are going to study about sentences and its type. If a sentence ends with a full stop, what does it mean? If it ends with a question mark, what does it mean? And if it ends with exclamation mark, what does it mean? I will make everything very much clear in this video. So stay tuned. Ram eating an apple. Is it meaningful? Do you think it's meaningful? No. So what is the meaningful sentence then? Ram is eating an apple. Okay, this is delivering a perfect meaning. So what is a sentence? A group of words that makes a complete sense is called a sentence. So what is written in this definition? Complete sense. The words which are used in the first sentence and the words which are used in the second sentence, all the words are same. But when the words are placed in a proper order, then it is delivering a proper meaning. So the group of words doesn't make a sentence. When they are arranged in a proper way to deliver a complete sense, then only we call the group of words to be a sentence. ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स जो होते हैं वो सेंटेंस कब बनाते हैं? जब वो एक प्रॉपर ऑर्डर में रहते हैं और प्रॉपर मीनिंग कंप्लीट सेंस डिलीवर करते हैं. Now we are supposed to study the types of sentences. So what are the types of sentences? There are 4 basic types of sentences that we use for different purposes. So कितने तरह के sentence होते हैं? 4 तरह के sentences होते हैं. कौन कौन से होते हैं? Declarative sentences, जिसको कि हम लोग assertive sentences भी बोलते हैं. Assertive sentences, ठीक है, डिक्लेरेटिव सेंटेंसेस को हम लोग असर्टिव सेंटेंसेस भी बोलते हैं. उसके बाद है हमारा इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस, देन कम्स इंपेरेटिव सेंटेंसेस एंड फाइनली इट्स द एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंसेस. वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी विथ एग्जाम्पल डिटेल्स अबाउट various types of sentences. So let's move to the next slide. So our first type is declarative, that is a declarative sentence is most basic type of sentence. Its purpose is to relay information and it is punctuated with a period. So what is the meaning of period? The full stop is also known as period. Okay. So declarative sentences कैसे sentence होते हैं? जो ज़्यादातर हम लोग बोलचाल जब करते हैं उसमें जो सेंटेंस हम लोग बोलते हैं वो हमारे अक्सर डिक्लेरेटिव सेंटेंसेस होते हैं. ठीक है. और ये एंड किससे होते हैं? ये एंड होते हैं फुल स्टॉप से. बिगिन किससे होते हैं? ऑब्वियसली हर सेंटेंस बिगिन होता है किससे? कैपिटल लेटर से. ये तो बेसिक रूल है इंग्लिश ग्रामर का. कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स देख लें. द बॉय वॉकड होम, लड़का घर गया. ठीक है. तो ये एक सिंपल सेंटेंस है जो बोलचाल की भाषा में बोली जाती है. शुरुआत इसकी होती है कैपिटल लेटर से और ये एंड होता है फुल स्टॉप से. ये जनरल सेंटेंस है जो हम लोग बोलचाल में बोलते हैं. तो इस सेंटेंस का टाइप क्या होगा? डिक्लेरेटिव. आई लव हनी, मुझे हनी पसंद है. शुरू हो रहा है कैपिटल से, एंड हो रहा है फुल स्टॉप से और ये जनरल इंफॉर्मेशन डिलीवर कर रहा है. अगला टाइप जो हमारा है वो है इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस. ये क्या होता है? Interrogative sentences ask questions. ये सबसे important हो जाता है. Interrogative sentence is meant for asking questions. It is its speciality. These are direct questions and they are punctuated with a question mark. So this becomes very simple for anybody to understand. If the sentence is ending with a question mark, the sentence is obviously what? That is an interrogative sentence. Let's see some examples. Oh, so examples are there now. Why does the sun shine? सूरज क्यों चमकता है? Starts with capital letter and ends with a question mark, means it is nothing but interrogative category of sentence. The next example is also there. Whose dog is that? Starts with capital letter, ends with a question mark. वह किसका कुत्ता है? Generally, these sentences begins with WH questions. WH questions means what, where, why, whose and how. Okay, it begins with these questions or it begins with helping verbs such as are, is, am, was, were, have, has. It also begins with these things. Okay, have, had. So question sentences generally begins with these common words, right? They may be either WH question or may start with the helping verbs. Our next category is exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentences are just like declarative sentences in that they make a statement instead of asking a question, right? But their main purpose is to express strong emotions. They are easily recognized because they end in an exclamation mark. Exclamation point means exclamation mark, which we call it, instead of a period, right? Period means full stop. So these sentences are also very easy to be identified. Let's take a quick look of few examples which will make understanding of this exclamatory sentences very easy. So the examples are now in front of us. I said I wanted tacos instead of pizza. Yes, this is what the exclamation mark. So understanding exclamatory sentences again becomes very easy. How well he sings, again an exclamation mark. Again the determination of exclamatory sentences begins very easy just because of this exclamation mark. Now move to our last type, which is imperative sentences. So what is an imperative sentence? Imperative sentences do not simply state a fact but rather tell someone to do something. They can be in the form of friendly advice, basic instructions, or more forceful commands. Imperative sentences are quite similar to, you can say, declarative sentences in their structure. That is, they also begin with a capital letter and end with a full stop, or what we call as period. But where declarative sentences used to deliver general instruction, here imperative sentences gives stress on a particular thing in the form of advice, instruction, command, order, request. Let's take a view of example. Examples are now in front of us. Please shut the door to keep out the bugs. It starts with a capital letter and ends with a period, that's full stop. As and when you see the word please, it means it is delivering a request. That means it is an imperative sentence. Turn left at the bridge. T starts with capital letter and ends with a full stop. What do you think? What message is being delivered by this sentence? Is it a common sentence? No, it is exactly not a common sentence of declarative category. It is an advice. Somebody is giving advice to someone. Turn left at the bridge to reach your destination, right? So it is in the form of advice. So we are supposed to understand the meaning of the sentence. If the sentence is delivering some advice, request, command, then the sentence belongs to which category? Imperative category. Otherwise, sentence beginning with a capital letter and ending with a full stop belongs to which category? Declarative or assertive category. After solving this exercise, you will be able to understand the various category of sentences. Okay, so together we will solve this. Don't skip this part of the video. Our first question is, you should get an appointment first. You should get an appointment first. What is this? It is a short of advice, right? So if it is a short of advice, in which category does it belong? It belongs to imperative category, right? Our second example. There are no separate lanes for cyclists in the crowded city. This is a common sentence which is being spoken. So to which category does it belong? It belongs to declarative category, right? Next question. How amazing is the story of the film we are watching? Very easy to determine because it ends with an exclamation mark, exclamatory sentence, right? Our next question. How long does it take to reach the school on foot? Question mark. Very easy. Interrogative sentence. Very easy to detect these types of sentences. Exclamatory sentence and interrogative sentences are very easy to determine, to detect. How hard that boy works to help his family. Again, this sentence is ending with an exclamation mark. So this belongs to which category? Exclamatory sentence category. Next question. She sells carpets to tourists. It is a common sentence that she sells carpets to the tourists. So this becomes again what? Declarative sentence. Grammar is nothing but practice. If you practice a lot, perfection you will surely gain perfection. Okay, so grammar is what? It is just based on your practice, and exactly the basic concept behind that particular topic should be very much clear. What a brilliant catch! So ending with exclamation mark, you don't have to think much. Exclamatory category you should write here. Next one, please check your mail for update. In the example section also I have given you, if please word is there, that means it is a request. So this belongs to which category? Imperative category. Hope you have liked this video and understood the basic concept behind the types of sentences. If you have liked this video, please click the like button and hit the bell icon to get regular updates of our new videos. Bye bye.